Leader Schumer and Senate Democrats also have offered to let Republicans propose amendments to that border proposal.
What did he say?
That actually was pretty funny.
Republicans have rejected it. Said, no, we don't want you to even introduce your proposal because then we're not going to, and even though the Democrats say you can amend it any way you want. No, we don't want to do that. This has to be a negotiation. Republicans think they get everything they want without any bipartisan compromise. That's not the answer. That's not the answer.
Probably just fine. Evan, read the copy, please. The copy's good. Just read it.
Now they're willing to literally kneecap Ukraine on the battlefield and damage our national security in the process. I know we have our divisions at home. Let's get past them. This is critical.
What in the hell are you talking about?